What's going on, guys? This is your host Crypto Fanatic, and today we're going to talk about how you can transfer your assets across different chains using a bridge. Now, there are many types of bridges, but today we're going to talk about ELK.finance, which is a unique bridge, as this bridge makes sure that you get native token to pay for the transaction fees on that blockchain to which you are sending your assets. Now first you need to go to ELK.finance, and then you have to buy ELK. Click on buy ELK. You have to buy ELK and then transfer them from one chain to another chain. I am on Polygon chain and I'm gonna swap some Matic tokens into ELK. So I'm swapping 10 Matic tokens to ELK. Make sure you're connected to the website ELK.finance. If you are new, it will ask you to connect your wallet. Go ahead and connect the wallet and swap, confirm swap, and confirm this transaction on your MetaMask wallet. Click confirm, and your Matic will be swapped to ELK tokens. It will take a few seconds for the transaction to get confirmed. So now you can see the transaction has been confirmed and our Matic has been swapped to ELK. You need to refresh to see the assets. Sometimes it doesn't load properly. If this is the case, click on refresh a few times until eventually it will load for you. So now we wait for the assets. As you can see, we have received some ELK. We have 4.6 ELK. Now, in order to bridge, we need to use this feature called ELKnet here. Click on ELKnet and with the number of tokens you want to transfer, if you click max and then select the chain. Let's say we are going to transfer these assets to Avalanche. You can select different chains from the list like Binance, Kronos, Elastos, Phantom, Fuse, Gnosis, Harmony, and so on. So we are selecting Avalanche, and right here, this is the feature that I really like about ELK.finance, is that it allows you to swap one ELK for gas. That means if you swap one ELK for gas, it will swap one ELK for Avalanche and it will receive Avalanche AVAX tokens worth one ELK on the Avalanche blockchain along with these ELK tokens. That's it. Check this box and you will have gas on Ava. You will have gas to pay for the transaction fees on Avalanche blockchain. Click transfer and confirm this transaction on your MetaMask wallet. Now if you are doing this for the first time, it will first ask you to approve the ELK, as I have already done it. This didn't show me the approve. I have already approved the ELK. You have to first click approve and then click transfer. Click confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet, and then you have to wait for a couple of minutes. As it says here, minimum 2 minutes between transfers. You have to wait for a minimum of 2 minutes. Transaction is confirmed, but now we have to wait for a few minutes to see our assets on the Avalanche blockchain. So now, to see the assets on the Avalanche blockchain, we need to add the Avalanche chain to our MetaMask. So click at the top. As you can see, I don't have Avalanche on the networks here, so I need to add new network. If I click add, I have to manually add a new network, but this gets complicated. I will show you an easier way to add new networks to your MetaMask. you just have to go to chainlist.org and search for the network you want to add. In my case, I'm going with Avalanche. So this is Avalanche mainnet. I'm going to add Avalanche mainnet to MetaMask. Connect the MetaMask wallet and then click on add to MetaMask. MetaMask will pop up and you will get this information: network name, RPC, and chain ID and other details. Click approve and click switch network. So we have switched to Avalanche. As you can see, we are on Avalanche now. So what is the next step is that you have to go to swap. Now you will receive ELK tokens here on Avalanche along with some gas fees to pay for transactions. As you can see, I have already received 0.05 Avalanche tokens to pay for the transaction fees. Now you click on ELK and click max and select the token Avalanche. You have to approve the ELK first. Click approve and confirm the transaction. The transaction is now confirmed. Now you can swap your ELK to Avalanche. Click confirm swap and confirm the transaction on your MetaMask. You click confirm and close. Now you can see we have the transaction is confirmed and we have swapped our ELK to Avalanche. This way you can transfer your assets across different chains and you can select whatever chain you want to send it to. There are many options. So yeah, this is how you can swap your assets across different chains using ELK bridge. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.